How often should you actually be investing in Acorns? Daily, weekly, or monthly? It's one of the first decisions you make when setting up those recurring deposits in the app, and honestly, it can feel a little intimidating. Are you leaving money on the table if you only go monthly? Is a daily deposit going to nickel and dime your bank account into oblivion? This is a classic question about dollar cost averaging, and it's key to how Acorns is designed to work. Acorns is built on the principle of making consistent, small investments over a long period. The goal here isn't to time the market, it's to put your money to work regularly, automatically buying shares whether the market is up or down. This can help reduce your overall average cost over time. So, let's break down your options. First, daily investing. This is the most frequent option, meaning your money is getting into the market as soon as possible. By investing every day, you are maximizing the time your money is in the market. For the long-term investor, this is technically the most effective form of dollar cost averaging, spreading your purchases out as finely as possible to smooth out short-term volatility. However, if you're only putting in a tiny amount, say $1 a day, the difference in returns over weekly or monthly isn't huge, and a daily transaction might feel a little chaotic on your bank statement. Next, we have weekly investing. This hits a sweet spot for a lot of people. It aligns well if you get paid weekly or bi-weekly. It still gives you great consistency and ensures you're buying at various points throughout the month, getting most of the benefits of dollar cost averaging without the day-to-day frequency. For most beginners and casual investors, weekly is a fantastic, worry-free choice. Finally, there's monthly investing. This is the simplest option. You set one recurring investment for the month and forget about it. It's the easiest to track in your budget. For someone investing a larger, fixed sum, or someone who gets paid monthly, this is perfectly fine. The drawback is you're concentrating your buying into a single day, meaning a bad market day could slightly increase your average purchase price for that month compared to daily or weekly. But over decades? The difference is statistically minimal. The truth is, all three options are better than not investing at all. Acorns' core mission is to get you into the habit of consistent investing, and all three frequencies achieve that. The best schedule for you comes down to two things: your pay schedule and your peace of mind. If you get paid weekly, set up a weekly investment. If you get paid monthly, go with monthly. Match your investing frequency to your cash flow so it feels seamless and you're never tempted to stop a deposit. Ultimately, the most important factor in your long-term success isn't whether you chose daily or monthly, it's the power of time and consistency. Don't overthink the frequency. Pick a consistent amount you can afford, set it on autopilot, and let compound returns do the heavy lifting. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.